Just listed, a second-floor condominium in the community of Sanibel Village. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo features an open floor plan with pond views from the screened porch and master bedroom. It also features a master bedroom with a full bath ensuite, walk-in closet, laundry room, second bedroom, and a hall bath. The condo development of Sanibel Village is located in Eagles Landing and shares a clubhouse, tennis courts and 3 pools. All of this is just minutes to restaurants, downtown Rehoboth Beach, the Boardwalk, nearby shopping, Dewey Beach and Delaware State Park trails.